What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about the best ICT strategy you need to finally get funded. Let's get into the video. So today, we're going to be talking about an ICT strategy that happens day in and day out that is extremely profitable. It has a very high win rate, and it happens almost every single day. Now, let's get into it. So this is going to happen we want to look at time first and then price. Okay. So time is going to be 10 to 11 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So let me move myself out of the way here. You want to have your chart set to UTC -4 and click on New York. Okay. Step one. We're going to be looking at 10 to 11 a.m. We're going to look for a liquidity sweep. Then we're going to be looking for a break of structure or a structure shift. Then step four, a fair value gap with some momentum. And then you're going to enter with a 50 pip stop and a 50 to 100 pip take profit. Now, this is going to work on NAS 100, US 30, or S&P 500. Now, my favorite pair that I've backtested months and months, the pair that I've most profited with and been the most successful has been S&P 500. Okay, so let's get into an example here. So here on Monday, we have 10 to 11 a.m. marked off as our vertical lines here. Okay, so this is going to be our time frame. This hour is going to be our silver bullet window. Okay, so we're looking at this window of time to trade in. Okay, now if we look at price here, we can see that with the 8:30 open and the 9:30 open here, that we've swept the previous day's lows. So this was yesterday's low price here at 43.48. We swept it once, twice, and now we started to shift structure. Okay, so we created this low, then a lower low, and then a higher low. We broke this high here. Then so far, we've also broken this high here, and we have not broken these lows. Okay, so we have our liquidity sweep. Structure seems to be shifting here. Two confirmed, well, not confirmed, but two signs that the market sentiment is switching to the upside. Okay, so if we move price forward here into this window, we pull down a little bit, and then we get this big push up. Okay, then the next candle, bullish. So then we have another break of the high here. Okay, so now we're inside of this window. We have a liquidity sweep, market structure shift. Now we're looking for our next step is our fair value gap. Okay, if you're not familiar with the fair value gap, it is a gap in price where the price is inefficiently delivered. Okay, these candles 1, 2, and 3 have not overlapped in price. Okay, so in this candle, price was only delivered for buys. So this is our gap here. Now, this is the first gap in the window, and so far it has confirmed all of our steps here. So now we're going to wait for price to come back in to this gap. You can use the top of it, the 50%. Now, anywhere in here, you would take your entry. Okay, we're going to put our stops at 50 pips, or if you're trading futures, 5 points here. Stops at 5. And then our take profit, I really like to go just for a 1-to-1. My goal at the end of the week, and even ICT himself will tell you, 15 points a week is an amazing starting point. Okay, 15 points a week, and then progressively get more and more confident in your setups, your entries and exits, taking partials. Partials always pay no matter what, right? So anyone that's going to talk crap about a 1-to-1, when you have such a high win rate with this, like you do with this strategy, you know, the profits are gonna show the results and the proof. So this is our, I'll annotate it here, our fair value gap. Now let's play price forward. Okay, so we're tapped in there. And then you already take profit right there within this candle is your entry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay. If you're risking 1%, you just made 1% on your account in 5 minutes and you're done for the day. Okay. Now, if you want to take a partial, you could try to shoot for 10. So if we mark this as TP1, maybe you're trading futures and you have two contracts. This could be take off one contract. Now, we're going to shoot for 10 here. Now, it doesn't always go 10, but what could we possibly tap into? Well, we have this small inefficiency to the left here, this small gap. Okay. So maybe here, if you see here, we had some relatively equal highs here just before 10 a.m. So if we move this out of the way, this would be considered like a buy side liquidity pool. And then we would want to look to see, do we have any other relatively equal highs? Kind of in here. You could, we've maybe tapped in, we can maybe tap into here as a next checkpoint. Possibly in this area, if you see this bearish candles high with these other three candles highs. So this would be kind of like your next area of buy side liquidity. So maybe look to take profits here near 10. This would give you 9, which is almost a 1 to 2, depending on where your entry was. So we take partials at 5. See, price comes back down, but we're respecting this fair value gap so far. And boom, there you go. There is 9 points. And it swept this buy side here, just above. Okay, so let's see, does it go? Nope. And then by the time here, this is near the end of the session, so I would have taken this buy side as my second target, or if you start to pull back here, when it comes back up, would trail your stop there for me, probably. So that being said, if you're interested in learning how to trade, how I trade and trade live with me, then feel free to join our Discord. I've already helped people pass their challenges, tons of testimonials in here from people joining this group. I thought analyzing, executing like this would take me years. Thank you, Andrew. Before this group, my entries wasn't like this, but since this group, I'm able to analyze the market and better now. I'm ready to trade indices, something I wanted to learn how to trade since 2019. So tons and tons of value in here. We have S&P chats, Euro chats for London traders, profits and losses, and then tons of extras in the educational content, self-development content, indicators, other ICT strategies, trade examples. So we're also going to be giving away 2 10K challenges coming up. So we're closing in on 200 members. So once we hit 200 members, we're going to be giving away those 2 10Ks. So be sure to get into the group so you can be part of that giveaway. So it's only $49.99, one-time payment. You get lifetime access. Okay, you're gonna get the lives, you're gonna get one-on-ones with me, and so much more. So it's a no-brainer to me. Now, ICT does have all of this stuff on his YouTube for free, but if you want more of a one-on-one kind of coaching, mentoring, helping with your psychology, putting together a specific trade plan for you, maybe figuring out risk management plan for you, definitely get in the group. Tons and tons of like-minded individuals just going to help elevate you and put you in that positive environment. So until next time, I will catch you guys later. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. It is free and much appreciated. So I will catch you guys later. And until next time, trade safe.